these are the country hen eggs. Let us have a look. This is free range eggs. Bureau Veritas test reports. There are no, here it is saying no antibiotics, heavy metals, chemicals, bad smell and toxins. Let us have a look. The eggs are like this. There is a stamp also on this stamp, free range. They are saying that these are very well tested. So this is the basic information about this. Produced and packed and customer care so and so, so and so. This is written Ravulpalam, AP, India. I purchased this from an organic shop. This is saying 107 rupees for 6 eggs. 3rd March, quantity 6 eggs, and best before 23rd March 2025. So this is the another pack I purchased. So these are the eggs which you can have. They are saying these are organic eggs. This is just basic information about the country hen chicken eggs. The color of the egg is like this. I don't know up to what certainty it is pure. Hope this video is informative and useful. Let us meet again.